Everyone, I'm going to just walk you through starting your first blog post if that is something you haven't done before. So I am on my kind of trial website that I set up with the last video. Because it's the new site, it's still leading me through kind of the little steps. So you might have that right here on the right and hit draft your post. Typically, I would hit the little button up here that says write to create a new post. That's what's most typical. You see this stuff here on the right. I got this by hitting the little gear. I like seeing kind of all the different things. So some features might not appear in your draft, your text box unless you click that gear, and you're going to want all these different things here on the right. So name your blog post and write your content, and don't forget to include an image. So up here, right, that plus sign, whenever you see that plus sign, it's going to be like adding some sort of content, and they have all the different types of content you can add. I'm going to add an image, upload an image, my own image. So it's going to be really slow here. You can add a caption. This is especially important if it comes from somewhere else. But if it comes from somewhere else, you'd want to say where it comes from and then also link where it came from. I don't remember the photographer's last name at the moment, so don't mind that. All right. So I'm going to see, hide more settings, show more settings, advanced, HTML anchor. There's different things that come up. Oops, sorry. You can always learn more here. So I'll show you something. This should come up if you want an alternative text. So this is a headshot taken by blah, 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 blah. So sometimes that helps, having that alternative text. So thinking about all the different things that you can put in the coding of your post to get picked up by search engine, by getting, it's called search engine optimization, but different things you can do in your text to get a better chance of being picked up by a search engine. I don't think this will pick me up anything, but if you had like some specific thing, photograph of the Grand Canyon. So there you go. You've put Grand Canyon in your code. So maybe that would help you get, if you're doing a travel website, help it become found by some other person. All right, so let's go back to the post. So, and so we write some more here. Include relevant links, if any. Listen to the soundtrack here, and then you'd have the link that you would link to the soundtrack. Or if you're doing travel, here's another site that I use. Here's my link to the hotel I stayed at. You're doing a recipe. Here's links to Amazon where I bought the ingredients. So there's a lot of reasons that somebody would use links. If you're, get serious with blogging, you'd have the affiliate links, so that if you link to something, like you're doing a fashion blog and you linked to those fashion items in Amazon, you might get money back if people click on your link and then purchase something from Amazon. All right, so we're going to go back to just this title here, go into the main, so categories. So a new category could be fashion. So that's like your main big overarching thing, and tags would be scarves, fall wardrobe, fall cardigans, whatever it might be, that would be a tag. Whatever your specific thing. So you're writing about fashion, then you're gonna walk in within your fashion blog, you're gonna talk about certain things like ripped jeans, these brands, whatever it might be. So again, this is kind of helping you get picked up by those search engines. If they don't know the categories and tags, it's hard to be found through Google. I mean, it's hard to be found anyway, so you definitely want to give yourself the best chance of being found. So once you have everything, then don't forget to hit publish, and then that is it. You are all done. If I have your link, I can just visit that link, see your new blog post, and you are good to go. Please let me know if you have any specific problems using WordPress or whatever you're looking at. I'm happy to try to help you figure out how to do particular things.